Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making something light, simple and super flavorful dish. Chinese style garlic spinach. First, let's wash our spinach really well. Make sure there's no dirt hiding in the stems. Next, I'm slicing up a few bird's eye chilies for that subtle heat and chopping up a handful of garlic. That's all we need for flavor. Now let's start cooking. I've listed all the ingredients and amounts down in the description, so check that out if you need it. Let's bring a wok of water to a boil. Once it starts bubbling, drizzle in just a little cooking oil and add about a teaspoon of salt. Now drop in the spinach and just gently press it down with your chopsticks. The salt gives it a base flavor, and that bit of oil helps keep the color nice and green. We are just blanching it. Don't let it overcook. Once the water comes back to a boil, take it out right away. We don't want it overcooked. Drain it well and place it on your serving plate. Now let's get to the sauce. Just a little oil in the wok. Add in our chopped garlic and chili. Let that sizzle until your whole kitchen starts to smell amazing. Now, add in about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a small bowl of water, roughly 1 rice bowl's worth. Squeeze in a bit of oyster sauce for dips. Then we season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir to combine. When the broth is simmering, slowly add some cornstarch slurry, a little at a time, just until the sauce thickens. Finish with a few drops of sesame oil. There we go. Now, pour that glossy, garlicky sauce right over our blanched spinach. Just the smell is making me hungry. Alright, let me give a quick taste. It's so fragrant. The spinach is tender but still has that fresh bite. I'm telling you, this dish is a vegetarian dream. And even if you are a meat lover, this will still have you reaching for a second bowl of rice. Give it a try and you will love it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.